Okay guys, cluster, everything is dismantled. Yes, I did this. This is the bracket goes inside. Problem is the steering wheel module is faulty, so I have to remove the part of the steering wheel out so I can be able to remove that module and do a bypass to it. I got everything here. It looks like if someone destroyed the vehicle, vandalized it. No, Mr. HELOH did this. I got all this crap here. Put this back. So make sure everything is there. Sorry. I want no surprises when I come back tomorrow. Let's see. This is what gets damaged, guys. This is the steering wheel lock. I don't have to remove it. A lot of people remove the whole thing. I found a way to do it, but I'm not gonna say it because I'm not gonna say it. Let those locksmiths struggle a little. They're really smart, so let them handle it. Anyways, this is the problem. So we're gonna repair this baby and then bring it tomorrow, and then we should be okay. And this is the way we look once we finish. I was all coned up really good, and I'm all beat up now. Pa! My dad. Ay, one sa'yo pa. Ay, nasa skin eh. No, sir. No, hay que esconder la cámara. No, I just yeah. Alright guys, so we're done for the day. Tomorrow we're gonna come back to finish this Mercedes. The server is down, so I couldn't do anything else. Bye bye. Right.